She rock her hips for nuts and whip. She rock her hips and take the chip. She rock her hips for nuts and whip.
You got a fetish for you, Charlie, you lose. I got a fetish for you, Charlie, you lose. Pulling cards like a shark at the wind. I don't know where to begin. You the big blind, that's the cash they can spend. I ain't talking about them ends, they ignore the details. You breathe life, they leave trails. Worldwide, they don't like the way you cook with the pot. Leave them in distress, book a press, break the lock. They got a fetish for you, Charlie, you lose. Know that, you know they can't lie to the truth. I got a fetish for you, Charlie, you lose. Know that you're jealous, say quiet, taboo. They got a love, hate, copy, paste, write a safe, fugazi, complimentary, shady. They love to hate, couple ways, rock a fake, fugazi, fantasize the way. They got a fetish for you, Charlie, you lose. I got a fetish for you.
Hey everyone, so happy and so glad that you guys decided to click on this video. So yeah, basically my whole goal of this hairstyle was, you know, to kind of look as nappy as possible. It's not camouflaged. Each twist is just going however the twist want it to go. And this is my 4th day wearing this hair. So this is my 4th day wearing this hair. Very light, long but light. Yo, as you saw in the footage, I did extend the hair, added some hair to each twist. So I used a total of anywhere between 9 to 10 packs of hair, and as you can see, I did add some color to these twists at the very ends, as you can see. But yeah, this is pretty much how the hair is looking. You guys, just came through to show you guys what the business was with this. And I was getting a lot of inboxes on Facebook and stuff concerning, you know, the pictures that I posted with this hair. So yeah, and so I had to come on and come through with a video for you. As you can see, I put a little decor in there and stuff. But yeah, this hair is by Superline collection. So thanks so much guys for watching. You better be looking at the next video. Thanks guys, see you in the next one. Bye.